Hey guys, so today I filmed my 17th birthday get ready with me. So I just did a really smoky kind of glam eye and a really peachy kind of neutral brownish lip color. And yeah, I just really like this makeup look. It's really pretty and really full coverage and just super glam. So today is my 17th birthday and I just wanted to do some cute makeup. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so I'm going to start by prepping my eyelids like I always do with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and just some translucent powder. This is the base I do for every eyeshadow look. You guys have seen me do it literally 100 million times. So yeah, now I'm going into the Too Faced Boudoir Eyes palette and I'm picking up this kind of taupey brownish shade with my MAC 217 and blending that into my crease. And now I'm taking this medium gray tone and blending that into the crease as well, but I'm focusing it more on that outer corner. It's going to kind of be a deeper tone on that outer corner, kind of like a V cat eye shape. And now I'm just taking a kind of smaller definer brush and packing that gray more intensely on my outer corner and blending that out afterwards. Yeah, just kind of keep blending and smoking it out. So now I'm taking this black color and I'm using that same kind of small definer brush and I'm going to kind of create a like triangle kind of V shape and draw up into my crease to kind of give my eye that really elongated feline shape. And please make sure you go back and blend this. You don't want to just leave it like that. So yes, I took my MAC 217 and I went back and really blended that. Also, I keep looking over at Law and Order SVU because that's my favorite TV show and I watch it while I do my makeup. So obviously something really dramatic was happening right here because I got distracted for a solid 5 minutes. It takes me forever to edit because I just sit there and watch Law and Order. So I am very sorry about that. But yeah, so now I'm refocusing and just continuing blending. So now I just sprayed some MAC Fix Plus on my brush. I'm using this BH Cosmetics brush to kind of pack this really pretty shimmery, kind of silvery, kind of champagne-y color onto my eyelid, and I'm just slapping it on there, making it real metallic. And then I'm going to blend out everything again with my MAC 217 blending brush, my tried and true. And so now I'm taking some more of that black color and I'm defining that outer crease area in that V shape. Once again, it's all about layers for this look. And then I'm going back in and blending with my MAC 217 brush. Yeah, just keep on blending. And then I used a makeup wipe to make my eyeshadow really sharp and defined to kind of create a guideline for my eyeliner. And now I'm taking my Maybelline Eye Studio Gel Eyeliner in Blackest Black and a little tiny eyeliner brush from BH Cosmetics. And I'm just doing a winged eyeliner, nothing super thick, not super thin, just a medium kind of winged eyeliner shape. And I'm obviously going to do that on both eyes, not just one eye. Don't do eyeliner on only one eye and then leave the house. So yes, I just did that. And make sure you make it really opaque and black because we're going to go in and start smoking it, as you can see I'm doing here. I'm not harshly rubbing, but I'm just kind of lightly blending out that eyeliner to make it a little bit more smoky. And then I'm applying more of that shimmery shade on top of that eyeliner because this really smokes it out, makes it look super messy and undone and just really layered and smoky and blown out. And then blend it, of course. So now I am removing all that fallout that's left on my face, and then I'm going to apply some mascara with my beautiful mascara face. I'm using the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara because I am going to be popping on some falsies, so my eyelashes don't really matter as far as mascara goes. So now I am about to pop on these Cocoa Lashes in the style Adore. They're really spiky and they have that really feline shape to them, and I absolutely love them. Super glam, super dramatic. I adore it. So yeah, I'm just popping those on. So now I'm going to move on to my face, and I primed with the Maybelline Baby Skin Primer. I just, push that into my pores and stuff. So now for foundation, I'm using the Hourglass Vanish Stick Foundation and the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation, which are clearly two different shades, but I wanted to mix them together because they have different colors and tones and finishes, so I just, you know what, why only use one when you can use both, you know what I mean? So then I just blended that out with my beauty blender like always. This is how I pretty much always do my foundation. Make sure you drag it down your neck. And now I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and I'm going to cake this on. I'm putting it all over my eyes in that upside down triangle shape. I'm also putting it on any area I want to define, like for highlighting and contouring, and you know, just anywhere you need a little bit concealer. And now I'm blending that out with my beauty blender. And here I'm going into this kind of light tone shade from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Kit, and I'm going over that concealer that I just put there, same exact spot, because, you know, why not put two layers of basically the same exact thing. So now I'm picking up this really dark shade from that cream contour kit and I'm going to contour with it. I'm going to take it under my cheeks, on the sides of my forehead, on my temples, up on my actual forehead. You know the drill, guys. And then I'll be doing it on my nose as well, and my the underside of my lip to make it poutier. And then I'm just blending that out with my Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. I'm blending so aggressively, you guys. I literally don't know why I'm so aggressive with my blending. But yeah, just make sure there is no super harsh lines left over. And then I will be kind of, you know, blending that down my neck as well to kind of even out my skin tone, because you don't want like really dark shadows on your face and then your neck to be kind of like solid, if that makes sense. So yeah, just make sure you even out like your jawline and your neck with whatever you do to your face so it looks, you know, natural, because this look is all about looking as natural as you can. So now I'm just powdering my face with my RCMA No Color Translucent Powder, and then I'm going to start powder contouring with the Hoola Bronzer by Benefit and this fluffy brush from BH Cosmetics. So I'm just kind of going over that area I put that cream contour previously, including my lip and my nose. So yes, I will just be contouring that, and now I'm cleaning up those areas with my RCMA No Color Translucent Powder again, and this is like going to kind of set and bake and define our highlight and contour. I love doing this. It really makes a world of difference, and like having a super defined cheekbone and everything, the best trick ever. So now I'm using this Dosé, is I think how you say it, Douche maybe, blush in Vintage Mauve, and this IT Cosmetics brush, and I'm applying some blush, and then I just did my eyebrows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills dark brown eye powder, but you guys eyebrow powder, sorry, but you guys have seen me do that a billion times, so I skipped it. So then I just kind of applied some of that matte creamy shade to my brow bone from the Too Faced palette, and then I'm going over my eyelashes with some eyeliner, and then I just smoked out that black shade and dark gray shade on my lower lash line. And then I'm blending my eyelashes all together with some more of the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara. And then I'm going to highlight my inner corner with MAC Nylon in this little flat kind of shader brush from BH Cosmetics. And I also just put some on my upper lip because I don't know why. So now I'm just wiping away all that baking powder that we've had sitting there for a little bit and just removing it. So now I'm going to highlight using the MAC Soft and Gentle Mineralized Skin Finish in this ABH Cosmetics brush, which is actually an eyeshadow blending brush, but I love using it for highlighting. So as you can see, I'm just, you know, highlighting all the normal areas. So now I'm removing my lip products, and I'm lining my lips with the Jordana Rock and Rose lip liner because it's my favorite. And you guys, I don't know what happened, but I like did not film what lip color I used, but it's the Bombshell liquid lipstick from Huda Beauty. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much.